Welcome! In front of me I have Mibro Watch X1 and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the home button right here. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see the settings icon that looks like this. Tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down, find the option called language and tap on it to select it. And here, as you can see, we have the list of languages. We can scroll through it by swiping up and down on the screen. Find the language you would like to use on your watch and then tap on it to select it. And once you select the language, tap on the check mark to confirm and apply it. As you can see here, we have the language, it changed. Now let's bring it back quickly to English, like this. And once you're done changing the language, you can press the home button to go back to home screen. And that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.